Introducing the CHiQ 8.5 kilogram front loader washer and dryer combo, where elegant design meets smart performance. Finished in stylish black, it features an 8.5 kilogram washer and 5 kilogram dryer capacity, delivering a seamless laundry experience with innovative features and efficient design. With its slim 577mm installation depth, our Space Pro design fits flush into tight spaces without compromising performance. The jumbo drum with a 530mm diameter lifts clothes higher and drops them for greater heights for a deeper, more effective clean. The intuitive control knob lets you easily select from a wide range of wash and dry programs, ensuring optimal care for every fabric. And with our two-step start child safety control, operation is secure and family friendly. Step 1. Turn the knob to power on and select your program. Step 2. Press the start button. And Step 3. Press confirm start to begin. To activate drying, simply turn the knob to drying mode, or add drying to wash programs like cotton, mix, quick wash, sanitize, bed or spin. You can add steam wash to programs like cotton, mix, baby care, bedding, quick wash and night wash. The control panel clearly shows which program supports drying and steam wash, so you can select the right option with ease. Smart Wash automatically detects the laundry load to optimize washing time and temperature, ensuring efficient cleaning with minimal resource use. Need to add or remove an item mid-cycle? Just press and hold the start pause button for 3 seconds. If the water level is safe and the drying temperature isn't too high, the door unlocks for easy access. Interior lights guide your wash. White illuminates the drum when the power is on and the door is open for loading and unloading. And a blue light indicates the program has started and then fades. Thanks to the 4 pieces shock absorber, this appliance runs quietly, smoothly and efficiently. A high quality design shared with top European brands. Smart, stylish and packed with features, the CHiQ 8.5 kilogram front loader washer and dryer combo WD85SB1 is designed to elevate your laundry experience. Improve your life with CHiQ.